And here we've got for you today a 1969 BSA Firebird 650 Scrambler, an A65F. This has been absolutely beautifully restored by the previous owner. As you can see, it really is a stunning example. It's got nice alley rims with Bridgestone tyres on it, which suit it really well. Nice custom luggage bag on the side. There's a giveaway of the model, the semi-high pipes. Don't very often see them this clean. This is absolutely lovely. The chap that restored it is a automotive engineer, so his restorations, the work he does, is absolutely top notch. It's done 307 miles knockdown mileage since it was built, and we'll fire it up. Tickle up the carbs, excuse my tango orange gloves. There you go. Soon to be listed on our website, www.russelljames.co.